Women over 40, step to the front. Let's have a conversation, especially my women who are going through perimenopause. Or some of you might not even know that you're currently going through perimenopause, right? I recently did a video on my last Wellness Wednesday series where I spoke about some of my symptoms that I was having when I hit 40 and I realized that I was going through perimenopause, right? So I know a lot of you are going through this thing. But as we transition through this new phase of life, through this new journey in life, my question for you, when was the last time you had your routine checkups done? Including your mammogram, your pap smear, your blood work, even your blood pressure, sis. Listen, you have to take this stage in life serious because you never know what's going on in your body as we're transitioning into this new stage of life, right? So you have to find some time to do all these tests. Now, recently I was diagnosed with high blood pressure, as I've mentioned before, and even low iron level because of my fibroids. Now, I've been trying to do some lifestyle changes, trying to build up my iron while I'm waiting for an iron transfusion. No, yes, it is that low, and I don't want to faint or fall down, right? So I got to do what my doctor suggests. No, I want to hear from you. What are some lifestyle changes that you are doing as a perimenopausal woman over 40? We want to learn from you.